Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past paper extended June series 2021. So the profit a company makes a decrease exponentially at a rate of 0.9 per year in 2014. The profit was, okay, this is the initial money. Calculate the profit 2019, which is in 5 years. So let's count it. So the initial money is 9,500. We multiply as this is decrease, so 1 we minus it by 0.9% to the power of 5. So 900, so this is 1 minus by, we got a 0.9 over 100. Then so 0.9 we divide by 100 is 0.009 to the power of 5. So 9,500 we multiply by 1, we minus it by 1 minus by 0.009, so we got as 0.991 to the power of 5. So here is the dollar is 9,080.13 dollar. Okay, on a map, lake has an area of 32. Okay, the lake is 32. The scale of the map is 1. Okay, 32. Calculate the actual area of the lake. Okay, as we got 32 here, so 32 we can multiply by 24,000. Multiply again by 24,000 as the area, and we divide by, this is as the centimeter, let's change it into kilometer, so we divide by 100,000, also 100,000. Okay, so 32 we here is, we can cross 1,000. So you as 32 multiplied by 24 times 24, and here we got 10,000. So 32 multiplied by 24 times 24, we got as 18,432. Then we divide by 10,000. So the area in kilometer is 1.8432. Okay, next question. So this is directly proportional. Okay, so y is directly proportional to the, okay, square root. So square root of x minus 3. Here it is. Okay, so find y when x equal to 39. So here, when x equal to 28, y equal to 20. So let's substitute 20 equal to k. Square root of x is 28. So 28 we minus by 3 is 20. K, it is 25. So 20 equal to k. We multiply by 5. So we divide by 5 both of sides. So k equal to 4. Okay, let's change it. So y equal to 4 to the square root of x minus 3. Let's substitute x equal to 39. So y equal to 4 square root of 39 minus by 3. So 4 multiplied by square root of 36, which is 4. We multiply by 6. This is equal to 24. Okay, 15. Make h the subject of the formula. First, let us expand it the bracket. Here is g minus by gh. This 2mh. Let us collect it. The h, so we plus by gh. Both of sides is 2mh plus by gh equal to g. Then let's factorize. Take it out h. So this is 2m plus by g equal to g. So we divide it by 2m plus g both of sides. It's gonna be cancelled. So h equal to g, we divide by 2m plus by g. So h equal to g divided by 2n plus g. Okay, 16. Find the gradient of the line. Yeah. So let us pick 2 points. Okay, here it is. It's pretty easy. So the point is 0.2 and 4.-1. So the gradient is y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Okay, his 1 is 2. So y1 is 2 minus by minus 1. We divided by here 0 minus by 4. So we got negative 3 over 4. So here is negative 3 over 4. Okay, find the equation of the line. So we got y. The gradient, we got it, negative 3 over 4x. What is the y-intercept? Here is the y-intercept. It's plus by 2, plus 2. Okay, now next, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular. Okay, the perpendicular. So the first gradient equal to negative 3 over 4. If the perpendicular, so we flip, it's gonna be 4 over 3, and change it, the sign, so it's gonna be positive. Okay, here is the point, we got it. So let's use the gradient formula, m equal to x minus x1, and then y minus y, will be y minus y1, and x minus x1. So gradient we got is 4 over 3. Here it is, y minus y we got is minus 7, and then x minus by 12. Let's proceed. So we got 4 over 3 equal to y plus by 7. Here is x minus 12. We multiply. So 4 over 3. We multiply by x minus by 12 equal to y plus 7. So this is 4 over 3x minus by, here is 16 equal to y plus 7. We must by 7 both of sides. So we got y equal to 4 over 3x minus by 23. So y equal to 4 over 3x minus by 23. Okay, 17. A bag contain 3 blue button and then 8 white button and then 5 red button. 2 buttons are picked at random. Okay, work out the probability that 2 buttons are either both red or both white. So this is both red. So red we got 5 first over, let us make it the total. So 3 plus by, okay, this is 16 multiplied by, we take it out 5, so it's going to be 4 remaining. Total 16, we take it out 5, so this is 15. Next is both white. So we got 8, the total is 16 now, and then we take it out 1, so 7 over 15. Okay, we can just multiply it from here. So 16 times 15, here is 240, here also 240, it's 20, and then 8, we got 8 plus by 7 is 56. Okay, let's addition, the numerator are equal, so here is 240, let's check it, 16 times 15 is 240, and then here 20 times plus 56 is 76. Okay, 76, 19. Okay, let us divide by 4. Simplify it, divide by 4, divide by 4. It's gonna be 19, and then 240 And 40 we divide by 4 equal to 60. So the answer is 19 over 60. Okay, 18. Find O2S. Here is O2S. But we don't know PS and SQ. So let us find first is P to Q. Okay, so P to Q, we can get it from P to O and O to Q. So this is A, we reverse, this is equal to negative A plus by B, or we can make it Q to P. Here we reverse from here, so negative B plus by A. This is A negative by B. Anyway, you can use P to Q or Q to P. Okay, this is the point PS and SQ. This is 4 and 5. So yeah, here it is. The detail PS and Q. Okay, let us find it O to S. So O to S, let's say we are using O to P plus by P to S. Okay, OP is A plus by P to S. Okay, P to S is 4 over 9 of PQ. So let's continue. A plus by 4 over 9 of PQ is negative A plus by B. Can multiply it. So A is going to be negative 4 over 9. A plus by 4 over 9 B. Here is 9 over 9A minus 4 over 9A plus by 4 over 9B. Okay, here is 5 over 9A plus by 4 over 9B. Or another way, we can use it from here like this, OB and QS. Here is the same thing, I will write it. OS, we can use O to Q, then Q to S. So OQ is B plus by QS is 5 over 9 O. QP is A minus B. So B plus by 5 over 9 A minus by 5 over 9 B. It's gonna be 9 over 9 and then 5 over 9A minus 5 over 9B. This is 5 over 9A plus by 4 over 9B. Okay, so anyway, the answer are equal. So this is 5 over 9A plus by 4 over 9B. Okay, 19. We need to sketch. Okay, we need to remember there is no value for 90 degree. So we can make ready. Starting from here, 180, 0. Also, starting from the negative. Okay, so there is no value for 90 and 270. Okay, solve the equation of 5 tan x equal to 1. So this is 5 tan x equal to 1. So we got it. First is divided by 5. So this is 1 over 5. We need to use a calculator to find the first degree. Okay, so here tan inverse of 1 over 5 equal to x. Okay, so first we got it x equal to 11.31. So 11.31 for tan. So another tan is tan x equal to x plus by 180. So if we got 11.31 just plus by 180 degree. It's gonna be 191.31 degree. Oke, tuh ini. Okay, the distance between two towns is 800 kilometer. Here is the first information we got. Okay, calculate the lower bound for the average speed. Okay, 600 kilometer to the nearest 10 kilometer. So 10, yes, we get it from, we get a half is 5. So first is the lower distance is 600 minus 5. And then for the upper distance is 600 plus by 5. This is 605. Here is 595 kilometer. Here is kilometer. Next information we got. Okay, a car. Here, a car takes 8 hours and 40 minutes. Correct to the nearest 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, we make it a half is 5 minutes. Okay, so the lower time is 8 hour 40 minutes. We minus by 5 minutes. So this is 8 hour and 35 minutes. The upper time is 8 hour 40 minutes. We plus by 5 minutes. So this is 8 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, to find the lower bound of the average speed. So the speed equal to the distance we divided by the time. Okay, to get it the lower, so the distance we make it upper, and the time, so the distance we make it the lower, and the time is the upper bound. So here is 605 kilometer. Then we divide it by 8 hour and 45 minutes. Let us make it only minutes, so 45. We can divide it by 60. 45 divided by 60. So this is 805 kilometer. We divide it by 8.75 hour. So 605 we divide by 8.75. Okay. 15 minutes. Didn't understand. Let's check it again. Calculate the lower bound for average speed. Okay, we got the lower here's 605. The lower is 595 kilometer. So this is 595 kilometer. Okay, one more 595. We divide by 8.75. So we got as 68 kilometer per hour. Okay, there it is. Thank you.